to my wife on our first wedding anniversary. Happy first wedding anniversary, my loves. Today marks a year since we exchanged vow and embarked on this incredible journey as husband and wife. It's a milestone that fills my heart with overwhelming joy, gratitude for having you. Memories and unforgettable moments. Nung araw na sinabi mong, oo, you have shown me what it means to be loved unconditionally. I just want to thank you sa pagtanggap mo sa tulad ko. You are the best thing that ever been mine. The best love story never end. Kaya, let's prove that forever exists. Ay, monkey. What? Isa di. It's mommy.